we're going to show you two ways to make a bird feeder, one which uses peanut butter and one which doesn't. Firstly, we're going to make the rainbow bird feeder which uses peanut butter. From your pack you'll need the tub of peanut butter, the envelope of bird seed, the ribbon, the crayon, and you will also need scissors, a spoon or spreading knife, and a piece of card such as the side of a cereal box. Start by drawing the rainbow shape on your card and then cut it out. If you're not confident with scissors, be safe and get an adult to help. Make a hole for the ribbon, getting an adult to help. And then colour in your rainbow. Now take your peanut butter and spread it over the side opposite the one you coloured. Make sure you don't cover the hole for the ribbon. Take your seed and sprinkle over the rainbow, then tap off the excess. Put the ribbon through the hole and tie to give a hanger. This can be footery, so will require patience and or help from an adult. Hang your rainbow in your garden. We hung ours from the branch of a tree. Here's an alternative method if you have a peanut allergy or you want to make another bird feeder. You'll need bird seed and ribbon from your pack, and you'll also need scissors, a marker, an empty clean plastic bottle, and a twig. Remove the label from your bottle and use the marker to draw circles on opposite sides of the bottle for your twig to go through. Being extremely careful with scissors, or with help from an adult, cut these holes open. Now draw a rectangle in the bottle and cut it out. This is how the buds will access the seeds at the bottom of the bottle. Finally, insert the twig through the 2 holes that you cut earlier. Take the bud seed from your envelope and pour it into the bottle through the Get an adult to pierce a hole in the bottle top. Thread both ends of the ribbon through the hole and tie underneath. Screw the top back on the bottle. The final stage is to hang your bud feeder up. What types of buds do you see eating from it? Next week, we'll make a cress head. To make your cress head, you'll need a plastic egg, compost and cress seeds. Also, get some water to water your seeds. We really like to see what you've created, so please send images or video clips of your completed activities. You can email photos to AudionautiConnections@hotmail.com or send them to us on Facebook via our page AudionautiConnections@ACDI. If you enjoyed these activity packs and found these videos helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you left a positive review on our Facebook page, facebook.com/AudionautiCDI/reviews.